Another thing we have here is IPOs, or initial public offerings. So if you're looking to invest in newly listed public companies, there is the opportunity to get into IPOs. However, in most IPOs, the stock is going to go down significantly after they go public. That's because there's no price history established on a newly public company. But then once they're listed on the market, you're going to see price discovery taking place, and normally the price goes down. So if you see right here, the IPO performance over the last month, overall they're down about 7%, while the S&P 500 is actually up 3%. So if you invested in IPOs broadly here, you would be down 10% relative to the market. And another example here, we know Reddit just went public. That was a very popular IPO, but just today it's down 8%, and we can see this is the third straight session that they have gone down. So if you do see a stock that you like that's gone public, you should usually wait for that price discovery to take place with the market and then buy it when that price drops and finds a healthy base. But if you are curious about available IPOs, you can click on available over here and you can see these different offerings. Right now there's 16 of them. I don't know anything about these, but if you wanted to learn about them, you could click on this and get details about the IPO, and you can request to have shares. So you're not always guaranteed to get the number that you request, but it is cool that they offer IPOs within the Webull trading app.